Yo, good morning, guys. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I'm
What's up?
not talking to you.
Oh,
Talking to chat, bro. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, what's up, Mohammed? Alright. Just gonna wait a little, let people join, and then we'll start. You bullish today, KJ? Or bearish?
um, I'm actually bullish because like we left London Asian highs. So there's overnight highs, and all we're doing, like if you check the 1 hour, there was
Mm-hmm.
accumulation on the 1 hour. We delivered from that 1 hour, and so this
Yeah.
looks like the manipulation leg. If Friday low hits like Judas swing down,
Mm-hmm.
like ES is really far from its Friday low.
And
So
what
I
I
think
wanna
we'll
see
get SM.
NQ drop to this UD opening gap and also the daily fair value gap.
Yeah. So the Friday low is actually the start of the daily fair value gap. So we'd get SMT, we'd get delivery off of the daily, and then we'd take out like the manipulation leg.
Yes, sir.
But for me, Mondays, like I don't really trade funded. I'll trade like maybe one or two micros,
Yeah,
or
I'm
I'll
a little
trade
bit
like
size or just trade evals.
yeah,
I wanna see how Monday closes. Hopefully we
exactly.
place a little bearish and then expand the rest of the week. And then go for those
Yeah,
highs. I'm bullish too because of opening, but we gapped down from Friday. Yeah, I'm bullish on the week, but not today. I want to see it close on this daily fair value gap and then expand. We have been trading up since like September 9th, so I think we're due for a pullback.
yeah. Especially with no news today, like
Mm-hmm.
it would actually be a good day to close bearish, and just get people like liquidity, right? So
Yeah. Hey, you want to go over your bias and then I'll do it. I'm just doing something right now.
yeah. Just one sec. Okay. So basically, as I was saying, so this box here, 1 hour fair value gap, same on ES right here. So we're delivering from this after this manipulation leg, and then you can see we start accumulating here. So these two lines here are actually the Asian and London highs, so the overnight highs, and you can see they're relative equal highs. And then so this accumulation phase, why I'm bullish is because I think this is a manipulation to Friday lows, which is also the start of the daily fair value gap. So it makes sense that we opened here, we created these overnight highs, and now we're delivering from the 1 hour all the way down to here. So this would be our manipulation leg. So closing somewhere in here, or what I could see happening is we open and we do the swing down into the Friday low, and we get some sort of long setup. Probably a retrace. I wouldn't target. I don't think we're gonna go back up to these highs on Monday. But like a retrace entry, we'll be fine. For bearish, like I think the bearish move is already playing out. So it'd just be like, yeah, the reaction at these lows. Like if we really start displacing into this fair value gap, like this 15-minute one is the last one, so this could be a target as well. If we start displacing below this, then I just wouldn't, like I'd have to switch my bias at that point. But yeah, that's pretty much my bias. It's pretty simple today. Even the 15-minute, you can kind of tell like this accumulation phase, and then we're going into manipulation. It just kind of depends, is it manipulation or is it sell model? Because of the Monday. So we could actually, yeah, we could start taking down this daily fair value gap here. Just kind of see how we displace, how we react.
Alright guys, so for my bias, like we talked yesterday, I'm expecting a move down on Monday and then expand rest of the week. So we already got the move down. I still want to see it go a little bit lower, tap this volume balance, this daily fair value gap. And today I'm just looking to trade my evals, not my funded accounts. We have no news. It's a Monday. And yeah, we have this daily volume balance. I want to see NQ trade into that, this daily fair value gap, and then we can get that move up. But yeah, going into the open, I think we can just dump to this daily fair value gap. I mean, we can pull back and then do it, but I just got a feeling 9:30 was gonna dump straight to it. We also have this daily volume balance that I'm watching. New day opening gap all lined up here. So that's something I'm watching. I'm gonna be patient at the open, not really looking to trade any trade, not looking to take any trades until like 10. So yeah, pretty much just being patient, seeing what NQ does at open. Will we just dump here or start pulling back to these highs? Hard to see the charts with the dark colors. I literally changed them today. I'll change them back.
Another reason why I'm bullish is because if you look at this move down, like it's pretty like low resistance with liquidity.
Yeah.
There's a lot of highs to attack, so that's why I was saying, when if we do get the long off set up off the Friday low, like I don't think it would be all the way up to the extended targets. I think we'll probably see a couple entries play out just because there's so many highs on the way. So
ES also has these equal lows at 56.05. But I don't think we're going to take them out. That's a chance, but again, just waiting. Just going to wait till like 10. No news today. Tomorrow we have 8:30 and then FOMC on Wednesday. I'm expecting the expansion on Wednesday and Thursday. Monday and Tuesday, I just want to see it manipulate. But ES not so bearish. Yeah, ES is kind of holding up. I want to see what happens at the open. Do we just dump down into this daily fair value gap? If we do and start displacing up, then I might look for longs. Target maybe. Let me see.
ES is pretty far from its like the Friday low as well as the daily fair value gap. So
Yeah.
there's a big chance for SMT.
Okay. So give 4 minutes to open. Give me a second. All right. So we had London highs at 543s. We had this SMT and then we got that dump. Asia highs here as well. Let me mark these out. So London buy side. Oh no, this is Asia. Asia buy side. Got the London buy side here. Oh, we were so close to tapping this daily volume balance and the new day opening gap. But we didn't. Yeah, we're gonna have a pretty large gap as well. So if we can just dump at open and then we can look for longs to like 50% of the gap as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Just waiting for the open. Can you share your chart link, please? Okay, 1 second, I will. How do I do that? Settings? No. Does that work? King plot. Two minutes to the open. All right. Saw your tweet. Massive props to your success. I'm new to IC. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's some tea at the lows. But I still want to see a dump. I want to learn ICT to take myself to the next level. Yeah, bro. All right, 20 seconds. Again, just watching like the first 15-30 minutes. And then we'll see. Okay, here we go. ES pumping. NQ trying to dump here. Come on, NQ, take out the low. Tap the new day opening gap. There you go.
Wow.
Yep, there's a dump. That's exactly what I want to see. Okay, tap the low, the new day opening gap, reacting off that. Can we just dump this daily for value gap, please? Please and thank you.
Yeah, straight dump if you fire.
Yeah. Guys, it's a Monday with no news, so I'm not really looking to trade my funded account. Just trading EU alto or lower side on my funded. Big opening range gap, yeah. Let me actually go ahead and mark that out real quick.
Okay, so ES is dumping now too. Oh, never mind.
No, ES is pumping. Yeah, big fucking gap here. Want to see it trade to at least 50% of it. Tapping a new day opening gap. Bro, come on, tap that daily. I missed it by 5 points. So Sean said, yo, fearless, so you trade a 2020 model? I made a video on my model, so Sean, on my YouTube channel. Posted like 2 days ago, Saturday, I think. Similar to the 2022 model. Yeah. Come on, NQ. Give me that dump.
There's a 1 minute order block, yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Now there's SMT.
So exactly what we wanted to see and what we talked about yesterday. I dump into that daily fair value gap. Now I want to see it come back above this new day opening gap and the daily volume balance, and then we can look for some longs. ES holding up. We might go for a low at 19,356 as well.
Yeah, the low inside of the fair value gap.
Yep. Yeah, going for the low, I think. SMT, so for your list, do your model doesn't include a market structure shift? Not necessarily. SMT, right? 4 hour for value gap. Let me check. 4 hour. Yeah, we have the bullish SMT. ES is holding up and Q just dumping.
Yeah, and Q is going for that low.
Yeah, probably gonna tap that 4 hour for rally gap. Yeah, just tapped it.
345, 46 is 50%.
Bro, I just passed the eval, bro. I forgot I put on a trade, the giveaway that I won, and I just got an email I passed. That's crazy. I shorted the pre-market. Well, and this was a giveaway account too, so free account. That's crazy. Tapping that 4 hour. ES about to take out that low as well. I think ES wants to go for the equal lows. Yeah. Yeah, so I took shorts on this account like 30 minutes before the open. And then I just set my TP and stop loss. And then we just dumped. Still just waiting. Not trying to catch the low or anything.
Yeah, this is a decent thing at this point. Like the displacement into this daily fair value gap, and then also right below Friday low.
Dow made new all-time highs. I don't look at Dow. It's always moving against NQ. That's how I feel like it. Tap the low of the 4 hour. Let's see if we get displacement up from here or not. I'm not trying to catch the low. I want to see a nice move up.
There's no singular gaps. Yeah, I'm not really looking at anything right now.
If ES can just dump here to these lows and then we start pumping out, that'll be nice. And Q holding the 4-hour.
Even if ES dumps to those lows like 605, 603,
Mm-hmm.
and then we reverse, it's still SMT
Yeah.
Friday low. And Q is reacting really good.
Yeah.
There's just no like, there's no singular gap. Like I only look for a single gap.
Tap the low, the 4-hour. Bouncing off. I want to see a bit more displacement. Do you wait for inversion? Not me, but KJ does. I barely trade
Yeah,
inversions.
yeah. If I take inversion, it has to be one like a single fair value gap in the leg. So in like the 30-second here, there's just multiple fair value gaps. 1 minute, there's just multiple. The 2 minute, the 3 minute is the only one that has a single one. But that's just too big, like risk and reward wise. It's just not because your stop would be a close below the fair value gap,
Yeah.
and that 3 minute is it's like 30 points, 35 points around there.
Again, I'm just waiting. There's a chance we still dump because ES has those equal lows. I'm not trying to catch a low or anything.
Yeah, yeah, I agree.
Rejecting that 1 minute. We might dump, honestly. I think ES wants to go for those lows.
There's just too many gaps like in here for NQ to like pump up.
Yeah.
And ES like it was pumping and then now it's just dumping. So like the divergence is there.
Bro, NQ looks like it's about to dump, bro. Can't even close about 50% on the 1 minute.
Yeah, NQ is just weak right now.
I wouldn't mind if we dump again. ES takes out the lows, and then we look for longs.
Yeah. Hey, give me a sec. I got the doorbell.
Alright. Guys, don't rush anything. It's only a Monday. Just a Monday. Until I see something very clear, I'm not gonna enter. Tapping that 1 minute. When do you switch contract to December? I just traded the, what is it called, a continuous contract something. So I don't have to switch contracts.
NQ1, right?
Yeah, in Q1.
Yeah, that's what I usually do at the near the last week. So NQ's delivering off of the 1 minute.
Yep.
Yeah, there's really no singular gap. So to me, this is just manipulation leg up.
If you just look at the ESR, it looks like a market maker sell model. You got those equal lows below.
Yeah, yeah. No trades so far. No scalps either.
Okay, about to tap that 1 minute. And Q tap the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, tapping on 1 minute inside the 5 minute. If we're gonna go lower, I think it should be here.
Yeah, I mean, really nothing to do other than wait.
Yep. For longs, I want to see inverse this and then get above the new day opening gap. But if we're gonna dump, it should be here. We tap the 1 minute inside the 5 minute. Yep. KJ, bro, downside looking good, honestly. ES looks like it's in a market maker sell model.
Yeah, I mean, like even on the Q, this 2 minute, it's a single gap. Again, like I wouldn't take it just against my bias at this point, and it's Monday, so. But this would be like a draw on liquidity for me. If it was like a Tuesday, there's news or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So we're delivering out of like 2 minute gaps, 3 minute gaps, 5 minute gaps, and then ES has those equal lows below. It wouldn't be A plus though because we're still in daily gaps.
Yeah. And the next target on NQ would be like 246. We have the new day opening gap and the slow. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm just waiting. If we displace above this 1 minute, then I might enter longs targeting 440s. That gap and the high there. What's your targets or downside? I'm not really looking to trade downside, James. Looking for upside. We have the daily fair value gap, 4 hour held, 1 minute held as well. Looking for longs. I think we inverse this.
Yeah, if you're looking for downside on NQ, you'd want the 15-minute to inverse, so close under 32 or 322.50.
Yeah.
And then your target would be 185, which again is a long way down. So, and even if you do close below 322.50, you're still in the daily gap. So there's more confidence to go long right now.
I'll look for your entry on a 30-second. See if I can find anything. Six, I mean, 10, not 10, was it? 950 macro. Okay, pumping to a new day opening up. Still liking longs here if we can pull back to inversion. I'll give it like a 25-point stop. And then this target, this 1 hour fair value gap, this high gap. Waiting for it to come back. ES pumping. Again, guys, you should be trading low size today. It's a Monday with no news. I'm gonna take that entry there. It got filled. Stop below like here maybe at 84s.
Yeah, 30-second OB out of the inverse.
Yeah.
So it should pump.
I want to see it close about this new day opening gap. ES going for the highs as well. It's looking good.
You'd want to see displacement right above 426, which is
Yeah, that high there.
Yeah, 30-second and 1 minute.
I'll move my stop to break even if we pump to like 430s. Okay, it should go here. I don't want to see a reject new day opening up. And ES is pumping. I don't want to see a create bearish SMT. So now we wait. Place the trade. Put my stop in. Put my TP in.
Yeah, ES closed above the 1 minute as well, so confluence is there.
I want to see it go here. Not liking it's rejecting 50% of the new day opening up. Okay, here comes the macro. Okay, wanna see it go. Wanna see it go. I got a really nice fill right at that low. Oh, it's only a 14-point stop now because I got that really good fill. That's nice. We need to see it go here. Don't like it's consolidating inside that new day opening up and the volume balance. 14-point stop isn't too bad at all.
Yeah, NQ is stalling. And
yeah, I don't like that a lot. Come on, NQ. Let's pump. ES took out the high. I'm moving myself to, let's see. Yeah, I'm moving myself to break even, guys. We have bearish SMT. It's my rule, so I'm gonna follow it. Bearish SMT. I'm moving my stop to break even, which is just at the slow. Getting a really nice pump so far. I want to see it keep on going here.
Yep. So if NQ inverse is 1 minute.
Your stop should be at break even. We have it really big SMT with ES tapping that 1 minute as well. So now it's either gonna be a break even trade or a really nice dub. I want to see it trade through this. Come on NQ. Give me that push. Yeah, it might be a break even trade because of that SMT.
Projection, bro.
Stop at this low here. 401. Because we shouldn't be stalling here. And body's still closing inside that new opening gap. Tap that 1 minute. Bearish SMT. So if we come back down, it's most likely gonna sweep below or something. So that's why I moved my stop to break even. Okay, I'm moving my stop to 407 now. I don't want to see it come back at all. So stop is around 8. Okay. Oh, hold on. I might take partials at this high. 441s. I want to see how we react. So stop is below this new day opening gap at 413. So about 12 points in profit. Okay, there you go. First TP is about to come on. NQ, give it to me. Come on, NQ. Come on. There you go. First TP hit. Taking off 2 contracts. Stop is at 420s. Really nice push. Again, you should be taking partials here. Stop is about 20 points in profit. My next target on this is the 1 hour fair value gap. You should be taking partials here, guys. Don't want to see it come back all the way down. Stop is at 415. This auto block here and the new day opening gap. Just want to see it pump. So really nice entry. Literally caught that bottom. We up around 40 points so far. And now my stop is in profit. Next target is 460s. Yeah, 460s and 470s. Don't want to see a stall here. Kid, you took that or what?
No, I don't trade.
I traded my fund. They were low size.
I would have taken it if there was like a single.
It's only a 14-point stop. And then I hold on. There you go. There you go. Wow, what a push. Taking another contract out there. What a trade. You're up 60 points, guys. 60 points. Take partials. Moving my stop to 31s. Yeah. So 30 point in profit. Even if I get stopped out. Anyone take it with me? That's a really nice entry. I only got a contract left now. So I'm chilling. That was clean. Up 1.5. Nice. W's. First trade of the week. Up 60 points. I think my stop should be below 26s because of this immersion. I'll just leave it there. I'm fine. I only got one contract left, so. Dude, you're so calm. Where did you enter? I entered at 401s, 402s, around this area here. Oh, I already got stopped out in profit. Okay. Yeah, guys, really nice trade. Got about 62 points on that. And our stop was only 14 points. Hold on. Let me check the risk to reward real quick. So more than 4 are there. Let's fucking go. Nice. Love to see it. Holding an immersion. Might have got stopped out. Stop hunted. But again, you should have took partials at this high. This hourly, we're rejecting the 50%. So you should already be out most of your position. Our next target is like 491s, 467s, 491s, around there. Again, don't push it. We already caught a nice move. Don't go in shorts now just because you're rejecting off for 1 hour. I need $30 more to pass the seed. Well, you got it, bro. $30. Big opening range gap. Always get go setup. Yep. Clean trade. Very clean. It took about 5 minutes to play out. Not too bad. Not too bad. Especially on a no news Monday. Still holding an immersion there. Yeah, really nice reaction off the inversion. Also, that 5 minute fair value gap. I exited after the pump. Nice. Yeah, you should be taking partials. Held that 1 minute inversion. I think we just pump here now. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pump. It's gonna pump.
So your next target can be 64s, which is like this high here. And then we 490s with the auto block. Another fair value gap up here. $30 holding up so far.
30 seconds still holding. There's another
Yeah.
30 seconds below that too, so.
I want to see a pump here. Get above that 1 hour. They're rejecting that 1 hour. 5 minute below us. That's a nice reaction. Okay, we have this big wick here. I want to see how we react at 50% of it.
So both go 30 seconds inverse.
Swap that low there. Do we go higher now? Got my $30. Nice. Yeah, again, we already caught a nice move. You don't have to trade anymore. Just call it a day. And I'm just gonna watch here now. Unless I see something really clean. Maybe take it on my evals. But this side was too clean, so I had to take it. But I lowered my size, so 14-point stop with lower size. That was good. Still holding at 5 minute. Okay, we came back down, swapped that low. If we're gonna go higher, should be here. Got this 30-second. Hey, my funny future hasn't stopped micro scalping it, right? They made changes to it on the starter plans. They're pretty strict on the expert, but on the starter, I think they stopped it. That's a crazy wick down. Yeah, I just came back down, swept this low. Should go higher now. I'm not really looking to take anything now.
Should just be a straight pump to this new.
Yeah, it needs to go here. Come on, NQ, give me a pump. Let's pump through this high here. ES, kind of rejecting at 1 minute. I want to see it close above. Tap that 30-second, going higher.
Okay, ES inverse the 1 minute. Should just go up now. Really
Yeah.
down.
Come on, NQ. Let's see that push. Starting to consolidate a lot here.
Yeah, 3 minutes until the macro.
Hey guys, you should be already out of your position, or at least take partials. 2 minutes, so micro ends. Yo, YouTube, who took that trade with me? Let me know in the chat.
Tapping the 30-second again.
I took it from my bias. Nice. Yeah, it was a really clean trade. The risk to reward was really good. Got this small SMT here. I think NQ should have just went there. I don't like the fact it's rejecting now after creating an SMT.
Especially after ES closed above that 1 minute, like there's really nothing stopping it.
Yeah, I mean, came back down, swept a low, new day opening gap, volume balance, push up. We'll see. This is definitely not looking good for longs. If we close below this 5 minute, I think we might be going lower. Still have those equal lows on ES. Still holding the 5 minute. Tapping the volume balance 1 minute. Just consolidating now. Not really doing anything. Just consolidating. Not okay. Getting a little bit of a move up here. Holding a 30-second. Too much consolidation though. Are we finally gonna pump? Well, I ain't gonna lie, we got the perfect entry and the perfect exit at the high. I mean, it's consolidating after that.
Yeah, no one should be trading this price action like here, trying to catch any inverse or anything.
Yeah.
Because the big move already happened, and then we like out of the macro, we didn't take so we didn't make a new high of day, especially after ES took the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty odd.
Yeah, right now we should be pumping. Tap the low the volume balance. Come on, Enki, just pump now. Okay, there you go. Come on, close enough. Tapping that hourly again.
Those 1 minute highs, it's rejecting off of that.
Yeah, I just want to see a pump. Give me that one big fat candle.
This is usually when it happens.
Yeah, I mean, we have done everything. Came back down, swept the lows. Knew the opening up. But I guess we're just gonna consolidate.
Tapping the 1 minute now.
Yeah, you shouldn't be forcing trades right now. We already caught our piece. Now
Yeah,
it's
now that
wait.
there's just
Yeah,
nothing, there's no entries, there's nothing valid.
especially on a no news Monday. Just wait. If you already caught a nice trade, just call it a day. I had to leave them back. Y'all caught a trade. What y'all catch? So we caught these longs off this inversion in this 1 minute. We caught like a 62-point move. Took about 5 minutes. But it was a really nice trade.
1 minute about to inverse on NQ.
Yeah.
10 seconds.
You shouldn't be trading this, guys. We got the move. Now we're just consolidating. I was gonna pay just Berlin 5,000 to teach me. Fuck that, I'm staying here. Yeah, he's a great guy. His videos are really good on psychology and stuff. Yeah, Tony Cruz, he did pass. He needed $30. He got it. Rejecting in 1 minute. Inversion. A lot of chop.
Yeah, it's just chop right now.
Yeah, I can chart them, but I have never traded them, like ever. Silver and gold. Not gold, sorry, oil. Enter longs on the M15 according to my setup. Did you take it on the 15-minute order block here, Inlord? Sorry, I think it's. Oh, I was saying that I've never traded them, silver or oil, but I'll still chart them for you in a second. 15 minutes CST from 4-hour BC with SMT.
Okay, this
Yeah,
is
but
low.
we're rejecting off that 1-hour Sibi Inlord, so I wouldn't be really looking for longs after we're rejecting. And we already feel like half of the gap already, so it's lower probability. But if it's your setup, then take it. Like for example, I took this long and KJ didn't because it wasn't his setup. And on Friday he took a long and I didn't because it wasn't my setup. So if it's your setup, then take it. Hey YouTube, if you're liking the stream, I would appreciate if you like it. Came back down, swept the low. Do we have bullish SMT now? But again, I'm not really looking to take anything now. I don't like this
Yeah,
P yet.
it's like, yeah, it's too wicky. Like it's too up and down.
Yeah.
Can't really hold anything.
Got this 5 minute here. Longs or shorts right now? Bro, I already caught a piece. I already caught the longs. Now I'm just waiting. No, what do you mean tell you, bro? I don't know. I'm not saying anything now.
I'm going in, he said.
I already caught my move. I don't know what's gonna happen now. We're tapping this 5 minute, we can go higher, but we can also just go to those equal lows on ES. Yeah, this might be the start of the move down, honestly. 15-minute SMT. Tap that 1 hour, rejecting equal lows on ES. I know longs. No, I think shorts are looking better if we close below this 5 minute. But I'm not really looking to take anything now.
Bouncing from a 3 minute.
Yeah, I'll take this 5 minute, holding that so far. But I think we're gonna dump. If we inverse this 5 minute, yeah, we're dumping. So if I was looking for shorts, this could have been the entry here on this auto block. But again, I'm just waiting right now. Not touching anything. We're at the 50% of the wick on the hourly. Let's see how we react here. Went short there. Also 12.9 new day opening up. Yeah, it could have been a nice short entry, but again, I'm not confident in anything right now.
Two minutes for this 5 minute to close. The 3 minute and 1 minute closed already, but 5 minute
Yeah.
closed.
I want to see it take out at least 366. Yeah, ES looking really bearish. S&T at the highs. Equal lows below. Really bearish here.
$30 for this 5 minutes to close. Okay, 5 minute close below.
Yep. Fearless, are you speaking? Oh, no, I'm not speaking. I'm just waiting. My bad. Looks like ES is going for the equal lows for sure now. Wait, Cage, you can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right.
Yeah, that 5 minute close followed by just like straight down. It might just be something on your end because I can hear.
No, it says I wasn't talking.
Oh,
Yeah. There you go. I hear no stream. I'm on Discord. Wait, can someone else confirm if they can hear me? Made your day. Nice. Yeah, see, people can hear me. Tapping this 1 minute now. So again, if I was looking for shorts, my entry would be on this new day opening gap here. Stop above this high, and then this would be a nice move. SMT with the yes. So if I was in shorts, I would be taking partials here and then moving my stop to break even. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna flush here. Oh, you guys like the black chart or the white chart? Which one looks better on stream?
I think the black looks better.
Yeah, I'm honestly enjoying this. Kind of tired out the white one. SMT with ES. Holding this 1 minute, but I still want to see a flush. Like we can pull back a little here, but I still want to see a flush.
Yeah, like we still have that the Friday low SMT as well. So
Yeah.
Like, so for me, so I didn't take a trade. I didn't see anything in my model.
Yeah.
At this point, if I even wanted to trade something, I'd probably just wait for like a high day sweep, or I'd wait for ES to take those equal lows.
Yeah. There you go. Low time take. But really nice sell. What is it called? Market maker sell model. Yeah.
Yeah.
15-minute SMT tapped at 1 hour. Another a 1 minute SMT came back down. Inversion fair value gap. New day opening gap. Yeah, that ES is definitely going for those lows. Anyone catch the shorts there?
Good job, OD.
Caught the short, nice. Someone on my YouTube caught it as well. Good stuff, guys.
Yeah, the 5 minute was the telling tale of that.
Yeah. How long will it be on the live before I gotta go? Probably like another 30 minutes or even an hour. Get back if you. Alright, bro. See you.
So now we're still in that 15 minute. 9 minutes until it closes.
Yep.
This is basically the last line of defense. Like, if this breaks, then
Yeah, we came below the daily fair value gap as well.
yeah, like if the 15 minute breaks, I think this daily fair value gap is just it's
Yeah, we have
probably
another one below us, so in the discount
yeah.
at like 185s. I mean, yes, I'm like 90% sure we're gonna go for those lows. I'm not in any trade, but I'm really sure though. Again, I'm not trying to catch every single move. I caught my piece here. I wasn't confident in short, so I didn't take them. I didn't see my model. I want to see if we reject this inversion here. What charts do you use on TradingView? Let's send Q1. If that's what you're asking for, like the symbol.
This might just be no trade day for me.
Mm.
Like nothing. I didn't even take anything on eval. I keep struggling with this 1 minute.
Yeah, I think we might dump if he close below like 30s. Let's get it flush all the way to the new day opening up, or we just go higher to the 5 minute. Silver bullet printed, but wasn't looking for shorts. Yeah, same. I caught these longs. That's all I need. I seen a couple of trades like this a week, so we already got one on Monday.
Okay,
And we
1 minute closed. Pumping. It's tapping the second 1 minute.
yeah. Have you guys been enjoying these streams? Have they been helpful? We have been on a really nice stream. I mean, not stream, streak. The last red day was like 3 weeks ago, I think. It was pretty small. Give me some feedback. Rejecting order block on the 1 minute. Again, if I was in shorts, I would probably already be out after we swept this low. So
Yeah, see, this is a PA that like destroys your account. So if you like, let's say you missed a trade and you got FOMO when you're trying to trade this, like this is gonna destroy your account.
Hey guys, I'll be right back. Give me a second.
Um,
Alright, I'm back. My first
okay,
live stream with
so
you. Huh?
I was gonna answer this question. So the Kamo guy. So he said, I need help, guys. If someone wants to reach out instead of flooding the chat, I'm on a red streak. I'm a momentum trader, but everything I touch goes the other way. Been 5 days now, lost 25% of the account. The account is very small. So 350 now, 270. It's my first account and I want to excel at this. So first off, if you're on a red streak, like get off the charts, go to like paper trade, don't risk real money. The second thing is, so I noticed you said you're a momentum trader. So I'm not sure if you're trading like the retail stuff, like the EMAs and stuff, but we trade ICT.
Yeah.
So I'm not saying you should just go to ICT and not trade what you're trading, but you should probably back test with paper first. Because I do have friends who are momentum traders and they do make money. It's just like I don't trade their model, so I can't really comment on why it's not working. But if that's something you want to trade, you really have to back test, and it's not a week of back testing. You need like 3, 4, 5 months of data. Like go on FX Replay or TradingView. Just go to random days of and random months and really see like, okay, like does this actually work, and then compare that to the trades you took, because I'm sure you'll find something. Because when I went back to like the EMAs and stuff, and I just said like, let me see, like, why wasn't this working, it was mostly just risk management. Like I was taking profit at like 5 points, and then my stop is like 20 points, right? Or I'd go break
Mm-hmm.
even, the trade is like 5 points, and then I get stopped out, and then it goes the other way, right? So
Yeah, bro. Do a lot of back testing and ask
yeah,
questions in the chat.
back testing is the key. If you're like super new to this, like just starting out trading, I would honestly suggest just switch to ICT, because it's the most concise, like mentorship, and it's free, right? It's on YouTube.
Yeah.
It's the most concise. Like it gives you the entry model, it gives you the risk and reward. So like if it doesn't work for you, it's literally just emotions at that point. Which again, like back testing will fix all that.
Mm-hmm. Yep. It's all about risk management. Strategy, I mean, yeah, ICT works, but EMAs also work.
Yeah, it's literally all risk management.
Yeah. It's top shop today in AM. Yeah, we caught a really nice move in the morning, right mod. Now we're just waiting.
Yeah, back testing is the most powerful tool in this trading thing. Is like, because if
Yeah.
you back test, you'll actually see like, oh shit, like because in backtesting, there's really like there's less emotions. You're just pressing the next button, right? Or you're pressing play.
It's FX replay. And by the way, I just got a code today. It gives you 15% off. If you want that, I can send it to you. It's FX replay.
Yeah, every weekend I'll go on FX replay and I'll replay the week and I'll just kind of see like okay like
FX. Yeah, I'll give you guys the code. It's just fearless. 15% off. I just got an email this morning.
okay, macro just opened up. Let's see what this macro does. My back testing works in terms of my start. It's how I execute or getting emotional. Yeah, I mean, like that's the thing. So with back testing, use back testing as like kind of like a reminder to say like okay, like this works and like if if you get stopped out, if your back testing results are positive like overall over let's say 100 trades, you should not get emotional because if one
Yeah.
fails, maybe the next one, yeah, and you said they are. So if one fails, then the next one should work, like theoretically, right? And that's what I noticed too. Like I was getting so scared, and I was taking like $100 profit or break even, and then I don't make anything, and then I try to force another trade. But when I started back testing, I literally had to just tell myself, like, man, like you've back tested for this many hours, and clearly your model works, right? So there's no reason to
Yeah.
ignore it.
And if you scroll down on my Twitter, you'll see us backtesting 5-6 hours a day. Like 12 a.m.
Yeah, back testing is the key. And then after that, it's just really like you gotta just have the discipline, right? Like just like the results are in front of you. Like I remember I sent Fearless like a spreadsheet. I was like, bro, like look at this back testing results, but some reason I can't execute. And then he was just like, bro, like if you have the back testing results, there's no reason why you can't execute it. And then it just kind of clicked for me. Like there, I was like, wait, like it's so simple, right? But it's
5 to 6 hours.
really
Yeah. No. You can check my Twitter. I backtested a lot, like last December, November. And just focus on taking one good trade a day. You just need like 2 trades a week. That's all you need. You don't overtrade?
yeah, like
Okay,
back.
that's fine.
There's a science to back testing too. Like you really want to go into your losses and your winners like after, and look at it like, did you just get lucky or did there might still be something you missed. And that's what I noticed too, was like, wait, like all of the bigger trades is the days where I wait like an hour or two for structure to form, and then there's a trade, right? And then the smaller wins are literally just like around open and stuff. So I just stopped trading around open because those losses were also there too. More of the losses are around open or trying to catch like part of the move. So yeah, and again, like if you're actually like super 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 new to trading, I just recommend ICT, especially because me and Fearless, we just trade ICT.
Yep.
Yeah, you should paper trade it on NQ in ES. And you said your account is like 350 or 270. So is that like is that your own money? Yeah, see, like I would switch to a prop firm.
Yeah, trade with prop firms.
Yeah, because that'll give you a sense of emotion because you're still putting money into the eval, right? So Um, so I would start with prop firms, and then if you say you have a good eye for ICT, like back test it a bit. Funded next. I would just do my funded futures or top step. Those are probably the better ones or the best ones even. Top step. Yeah.
Yeah, I think my funny future has like a 40% off right now. They have a sale going on for new users. So you can get an eval for like $40 right now, I think. 40 or 50.
Free trials forever. Yeah,
Funded
like I
next.
can't comment on the
Yeah.
other stuff. The only other one I could comment on is Apex, but Apex has been
I don't know about that one.
it's kind of iffy the last few weeks. Like I don't know, they requested like video proof of you trading, and then they backtracked on it. So I switched. I was on Apex, and I switched to my funded futures and Top Step. Yeah, like my funded futures integrates with TradingView as well. Top Step depends which account you get, but even Top Step X is it's basically TradingView, like their own platform. It's basically TradingView. Yeah, we're just like consolidating here. There's really
Yeah.
just wiki price action. Like
I think we gotta get a dump here now. We got an SMT, everything. Let's see. SMT with ES, 1 minute for value gap.
yeah, delivering off the 1 minute as well. We do have like relative equal highs though.
What is a max allocation? I think it's. Let me see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 450k. Yeah, because you can max 3 accounts. So even if you buy all 150ks, that's 450k.
Yeah, there is people you can watch on YouTube. For me personally, like I watch so many psychology videos, and I'd watch them and I'd be like, yeah, like I'm gonna do this, and then I just wouldn't do it, right? So I don't know, like what clicked for me was literally like just talking to myself, like bro, like
Yeah,
why are you
journaling.
yeah, like why are you taking these bad trades? Like what's the problem, bro? Like you've done this in back testing, like you
Yeah.
know, do you want to work a job or do you want to fucking like make this your life, right? And it just clicked. Like I just woke up one day and everything just like made sense. So yeah, you just gotta do what works for you, right? Like watch the videos, but also yeah, journal and like really, be hard on yourself, man. Like don't try to sugarcoat stuff. Like, if you took a loss, there's a reason for it, right? And when you no, I'm not saying you're sugarcoating. I'm just saying like in general, like if you take a loss, there's always gonna be a reason for it. And the day where you can't find like a reason for it, like you've probably just found your model. Because then that just means like the risk and reward was there, the confluences were there, the setup was there, and it just didn't work out. So I know I can fall into discipline if I know my model works. I have a lot of self-doubt. Yeah, like it's just gonna go into back testing, bro. It's like so you said you lost 2/3 of your body weight by exercise. So you know, just, making an analogy, like, so when you exercise, you're gonna see the results, right? So when you back test, the same thing. It's like you're gonna back test and you're gonna see the results, and then you know you go into the trade. So you'll be in a trade. It's the same thing as like running on the elliptic or the treadmill. It's gonna suck while you're doing it, but the result's gonna come. You know what I mean? Like, it's fine weathering the drought. Yeah, like think of it as a business expense. Like let's say you run a um
Yo,
I don't know,
Marius, did you try the
like a bar
code?
or
Did
something.
it work? Cause I
Yeah,
just
it's
got it
just
this morning. I just want to make sure it works.
like you're paying your lease, you're paying the electricity. Like it's just part. Like with trading, it's loss is a business expense.
Well said.
Yeah, like trading just has, yeah, because again, like you can put in $80 into my funded futures prop firm account, right? And you get a payout of like 1,200. And then you take that and you buy two accounts, and then now your payout is, it's 2,400, and you keep doing that again and again and again. It just scales, right? I don't trade forex. I don't know. I'm not even sure um, if you can trade forex on those.
Oh, those are not trades. Those are alerts.
Bro, and NQ and ES is literally all you need.
Yeah, I just set a alert for this low. That went off.
Yeah, utilize alerts. Ever since I've been utilizing alerts, like I catch SMTs more quickly because I'll hear the little beep go off, and I'll
Yeah.
quickly check. So 1 minute inverse on NQ with the ES.
Yeah, it's kind of dumb. Yes, it's gonna go for equal lows.
I mean, again, it's just we're still in this 15 minute. We're still in this daily.
Okay, the only setup for me today was the long, which we took. After that, shorts were alright, but I wasn't really that confident in it. So
Are we allowed to
I'm
talk
not.
about? Sure. I don't
No,
know.
no, you're
It's up.
good. You're good. Although okay, I was doing trading and speed. Yeah, bro. Whatever you like, just paper trade, back test, build confidence.
Where do I learn to enter with options? So that's actually a good question because I've been backtesting options with like with my ICT strat. Um, and I use I'll link it in the chat later. There's like a site where you can view like the options prices. And so what I noticed is like you kind of have to have like a $4,000 to $5,000 account, and then you need to basically trade like SPX. Um, and then so your loss is basically whatever you put in. So you want $2 to $3 contracts. So your max loss is going to be $200 to $300. But sometimes what happens is you'll hit the target on NQ, and because of the Greeks, the option price will be like 250, or it'll be like um it'll be less than what you entered
Well, I'm
for.
just
So
muted.
the risk and reward gets yeah, it's just not as good. It does work though. Like there is I think on news days it's probably the best because you'll get that speed and you'll get those data loads, drawing liquidity, so that pumps the Greeks, right? So on days like that, like yeah, $300 can literally turn into like $800 in a matter of like 2 3 minutes, right? So I'd just say focus on one thing though. $3,000 to learn options. I mean, personally, no,
Nah, not
because
worth it.
you can go and watch the 2022 ICT mentorship and then back test that and then just join the lives that we do here, right? And you'll kind of learn our models, like how we trade it. Um, so yeah, like Fearless put a video of his model, and it's just free, right? So like options is really not that hard. It's just I would, if I were you, I would focus on one thing. I think that's making me want to just still buying shares till you just switch over. Yeah, like you gotta choose one thing. Like trust me, like I was in a lot of discords, um, like hopping strategies and stuff. And even when I started ICT, I'd be like, well, this play failed with ICT, but like if I traded it based off like EMAs, it would have worked. Um, but you just have to focus. Like focus on one thing, and then once you develop your model, just focus on your model. So like today, like I didn't see anything with my model. Like not even one trade. Like even that 1 minute like inverse above, like I would have never taken that because then at that point the risk and reward isn't there for me. Um, so yeah, like I'm fine with not taking any trades today. I didn't even trade on eval. So yeah, don't jump systems if you don't want to. I
Just
think
pick one
the
and stick to it. It's that simple.
yeah, I think the thing is like you're trading with momentum and then you're also with options and you want to do forex. So just choose one.
You know this works because I've been live trading for like 3 weeks now, and we haven't had a red day. So you know this works. Like just back test, pick a model from my like ICT streams or anything, um, whatever you like. Just pick it, stick to it, back test it.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it is like just judging off what you've said, right? Like you said you have doubt and stuff, so like back testing will alleviate that. And then, you know, the rest is here's the thing, like when you're in a trade after you back test and if you're getting emotional, you just gotta tell yourself like you know this works, right? So like set your stop, set your TP, and then turn up your volume and when you hear that little beep go off, like go check the chart and then see like okay, like am I supposed to move my stop to break even? Did my stop hit or did my TP hit, right? So yeah, like even that, like I don't even trade pre-market anymore. The only time I'll trade pre-market is if we have like the 8:30 like the news before open and if I see like clear draw on liquidity. But most of the time I'm never trading pre-market. Like cuz again, like back testing and stuff, like I take most of my losses in pre-market, so I just don't trade it anymore. So even now, like so it's 11:08, right? So I try to be done by 11. So like today for me, um, I'm basically done for the day with zero trades, and I'm fine with that because I was up nice on Friday, and like all of last week, didn't take any trades today, so all my fundeds are they're break even, so I didn't take a loss. There's really no reason for me to trade. The bulk of the move happened, and also like bias for me right now is just kind of like 50-50, just based off where we are. Like we delivered from one spot and then we're in one spot, and there's liquidity on both sides. There's a SMT though. Like there's just so many conflicting factors. That's good to hear, Roman. So I just posted. I just locked myself out. Top step. There's no reason for me to force a trade. Like I didn't see anything in my prime time, so the only thing I'll trade now is eval. Which I mean, I don't know. I got other shit to do, so I don't even
Yeah.
need to spend the mental capital.
Yeah, we're gonna end the stream in like 10 minutes.
Yep.
So a pretty good day. Just one trade. Up like 60 points. Nice start to the Monday. Nice start to the week. I'm not gonna push it now. Alright. Volume is low. I just turned it up. My bad. What's up, Nugatan? Yeah, guys, if you caught any trades, post it in the P&L section. Yeah, Nugatan, we caught a 60 point long. This one trade, 60 points, and then didn't touch anything. Oh, he's not even in the call.
Testing this 1 minute again. I think we're gonna close over it though.
Yeah, generated all this buy side, came back down, swept this low, got the high now. Probably gonna tap this 15-minute fair value gap. But again, I'm not really looking to take anything. A lot of chop. And that's what your focus should be on. Just taking one good trade and just calling it a day.
Yeah. Like for the people that have one account, I can tell you from experience, like it kind of sucks, right? Like you might be up like 200, but the goal is to just scale that, right? So 200
Yeah.
over 5 accounts, now you're up $1,000, right? So keep the patience.
Yeah, you shouldn't be trading right now. Just taking highs and lows, creating SMTs everywhere. No clear draw on liquidity.
Mhm.
We
Yeah,
did come down to
SMT,
this 4-hour order block and then bounced, but
yeah. If you check like the daily bias that I posted like in my channel, you'll notice like then I had like clear things like okay, this can happen, this can happen. But now it's like so ES has equal lows, but NQ is in a 15-minute fair value gap, and then we're also in a daily fair value gap, and then there's also a SMT right before those equal lows, right? So there's just conflicting um, like data. So there's really no point to trade. Your best trades will be when there's literally like a clear like okay like this can happen on both indices, um, and then that's it. Because like even the long today it was basically what we wrote, right? Like we took the Friday lows. There's SMT delivering off the
yep.
daily value gap, um, and like Fearless caught an entry model. I just didn't have the entry model, but like the same shit happened, right? So
Yeah. And notice how confident I was when I took that entry. And now I'm just not confident at all. I'm only taking A plus setups, so.
yeah, 5 minute close above as well, but like look at the difference between the previous 5 minute bearish close and this one. So the previous one that closed bearish, straight dump.
Mm-hmm.
Um, this one we close above and then we just start stalling right away, right? So it could still go up, but again, it's like
Yeah, it's probably
it's
gonna
just
go up, tap that 15-minute.
hmm
I'm gonna get off the charts for the day. Take it easy. Thank you, Adder. I'll see you tomorrow.
hmm
And congrats on passing the eval.
So I think for me, if I do take a eval trade, I'd want to see the 15-minute above. I want to see that inverse, and then I'd want to see a retrace down, and then I'll look for like a lower time frame entry, like one minute
For
EMA.
longs?
Yeah, that's only on eval, and that's like probably after lunch or something.
Yeah.
It's 15-minute if it inverses. I'd look for a retrace entry into longs.
Anyways, guys, catch y'all tomorrow. Yeah, catch you tomorrow, Scully. Okay, do you want to call it a day here too?
Yeah, like I already locked out my accounts, like my funded accounts. So
Alright, guys, I'm gonna stop the stream on YouTube as well. Pretty good day. Nice start to the week. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at like 6 or 9 for you guys. And yeah, peace.